In this video, I'll show you how to change your ringtone on your iPhone. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open the Settings app on your phone, then scroll down, and when you see Sounds and Haptics, go ahead and tap right there. Then select Ringtone, and here you're going to have different options that Apple is going to give you for free. If you want to see how they sound, you can simply tap on them and Apple will give you a small preview. Now, if you want to buy a ringtone, you can also go to the tone store to buy a new one. Under Haptics is where you can change the vibration of your phone when somebody calls you. You can even create a new vibration by tapping right here under Custom. You can tap your phone and create a vibration pattern. Right here at the bottom, I will see my custom haptic and I can select it if I want to use it. The same goes for your ringtone. Simply select the one that you like, and if you go back, that will be your new ringtone. Hope that helps.